Hello, my name is Ankush Bhatt and I welcome you to the short demo in which I'll explain you how queries work in case of API testing in Tosca. Let's switch to Tosca. Okay, as you can see that I'm in the Tosca, so I have one service with me that's of Swagger. So it's just like pet store. So it's a sample server pet store web service that I have. So I will just copy this particular URL and I'll scan it in my Tosca. Okay, so go to Tosca and in the API testing ribbon, I'll click on API scan and start API scan. Okay, so I will delete this folder. I'll just click on URI and paste that particular URL of the pet store. That's Swagger one. Okay, I have pasted it and I now I'll click on OK. Now Tosca will scan that this scan I has scanned it and it has given me some request response there. Okay, so I will I'll delete these store and user. I don't need them. I'll just focus on this add pet and find pet. Okay, so I'll firstly go to add pet in which I have some id, say 123, id 123. Name would be, say for example, puppy. Okay, name would be here also puppy. uh, 123, some random name. Okay, puppy, and status would be, say for example, it is present. Okay, so if I send it, I'll get some response that this pet has been added successfully. Okay, so we can check it from the status code, that is 200. Okay, that means it has been successfully added. Now I will go to find pets by status and I will use query here. As you can already see there, here the type is query. So how we can use this query, that's question here. So what we will do, we will use the status that is already present here in the name and I will search for the value of present. So Tosca will search that out of all the pets whose status is present, it will just search and it will fetch me that data. I'll just send it. Okay, so here I see that I have two values in which present. Present is there. Okay, so this 123 ID I have initially I have right now I have added it. So this is my response that I got, that it's 200. Okay, status code is okay. That means it is there. Okay, now I'll make test cases of these two. I'll click on API test case and API test. Okay, so in the background I can see that in API I've got something. So I'll just quickly add the attributes to the module. Similarly for response also, I will add the status code just for now. Here what do we need? We need just the status. So that's why we took this status, and for response we just need this thing. Okay, we don't need the upper one, we just need the below one. Okay, so it will, I have added all the attributes. Now I will go to my test case. Okay, I'll just click here and add values. It will, Tosca will automatically take the values that I have recently used. Similarly for this also. Okay, so now I'll run both these test cases, say for example for this instance, and I'll run it in Scratchbook. Now we can see that firstly it will add one pet and then it will verify that particular value through the query option that is present in the Tosca. Okay, so here it has added and it has checked the response, that is 200. Okay, that means the pet got added. After that it searched for the status. So that status should be present, and after that it searched for that status, that through query it searched for that status, that whether the status is present in the response or not. So it was present, so it told the task told us that the verification was successful, present on the both sides. So this is how query works in case of API testing. This is all about query. Thank you.